Hello. Thought I'd just do a quick update video. It's Sunday and I'm not at the marina. I am in my very first anchorage. Dun, dun, dun. Pretty sweet, isn't it? No wind. It is near a little airport. And this is entirely my anchorage because nobody else would be stupid enough to stay here because of a horrible swell coming in. It was terrible last night, but we survived. Actually slept not too bad, all things considered. There are these like things that keep floating by. See them? Yeah, now it could be some kind of plant, or it could be some kind of something else. But I like to think it's the lesser spotted shark-eating jellyfish, just cruising around my anchorage like sentinels to protect me from those horrible, horrible sharks. Also, I'm an idiot. Yeah, so I'm here. It was a bit sporty, the sailing, first thing in the morning. I did like 6 hours under head sail, then got the main up when the wind died off. Sea state was horrible all morning. It really looked like a washing machine, but yeah, the video shall arrive and no doubt it will look like perfectly calm seas because they always do. But yeah, here I am. I'm alive and well. I'm just gonna chill out here. I'm doing nothing today. Tomorrow I've got some little bits and pieces to do on the boat. The throttle and gear cables, I think the one just adjusting. I want to get the dinghy out and then I'm going to tow that behind me. Just tidying up really. Now that I've learnt my mechanics of sailing and where I go and what I do, I sort of know more where I want things on the boat, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's my video. That's my plane. It's not my plane, it's somebody else's. I've got a boat. Peace out.